Hi folks, welcome back to Lamarque Crescent City Ford, right here in beautiful Harahan, Louisiana. My name's Eric Kendrick, and today I'm going to be showcasing this Royal service body, and man, I got a treat for you. Royal all comes with flip tops, but they give you these drawer systems in here where you can organize all your parts. It has a handle on it, so that way you can take these into the job site, so that way you're not having to make multiple trips back out there. This will save you time, which makes you money. Now, one of the things I do on these bigger trucks is I put a headache rack on them, so that way it protects the glass, and that way if you had any big objects in the back, it'll keep from sliding forward and knocking into the glass. If you want to get any kind of lights or anything on top, I have them already mounted up here, so it can do spotlights, or I can do a strobe across the back. Anything to light up the job site at night is great. Compressor across the back of this thing, I can mount a compressor back here. It just makes it so versatile, these service bodies, they really do. Folks, if you have any questions on this truck or any one of our lot, whether it's regular cab, extended cab, or crew, man, let me build the right truck for you. My name's Eric Kendrick, and I thank you for your time.